my channel. It is your girl Kimmy K. You can call me Key. All my friends and family call me Key, so you can call me Key. So today I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial on this beautiful, gorgeous, pretty hair that I am wearing. I'm sure by the title you already know, so you already know that this hair is freaking lit. It's gorgeous. So if you would like to see like how I installed this unit and my thoughts on this unit, then make sure you continue watching and be sure to check out my last video that I did upload. I did also do another sensational unit, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and please do share so that others can find me, period. So let's go and get into the review. So starting out, this wig is going to be from Sensationnel. It is their Cloud 9 Swiss lace 100% premium fiber wig. It is heat safe 350 to 400 degrees. It is in the style Darlene, and I do have the color 1B. It is their wet lace hair illusion lace wig. So you do know that the front is like pre-plucked, and then it does have like a natural density in the front, so that all you have to do basically is just apply some powder and you are good to go with putting this wig on. So starting out, you do get 2 combs on the crown, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. It is a 13x6 parting space, so you do get 6-inch worth of deep hand-tied parting space. It does go from ear to ear. Like I said, it is pre-plucked, and then the hairline is supposed to be like a flawless hairline, so when you do put it on, it does kind of look natural. So starting out, the wig, it is pretty. It does come with baby hairs on the front and on the sides. I guess if you wanted to have sideburns, so it does come with baby hairs and sideburns on the side. So starting out, I'm going to go ahead and put on foundation just to go ahead and color the lace. The lace is going to be a light yellow lace. So starting out, you want to go ahead and tint your lace, whether it be with spray, foundation, whatever you do have. I am using my foundation, which is a Super Stay foundation in the color Warm Coconut. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that to go ahead and color the lace. After I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and put the wig on. So with me doing that, I do my wigs the lazy way. Instead of me putting the gel down, I just go ahead and sit the wig on top of my head, and then I just spray the lace with the Got to Be Glued freezing spray. For me, I get the same hold as using it with the gel. The only thing is it's going to last just for the day. If you're trying to wear for a couple of days, like 2 to 3 days, then I would suggest using the styling gel. But for me, I'm just doing it for this tutorial, for this video, and I might wear it a couple of hours after that. So the freezing spray is good. Like I said, it lasts for the entire day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the entire front so that the front does not lift up. So I'm going to be using the Nairobi Wrap Foaming Lotion just to go ahead and kind of tame it down, because I am brushing it with a comb and it does get like a little bit frizzy. So that's what I'm doing right now, and basically I'm just going to go ahead and do that, tame the curls down, and I'm going to cut me some baby hairs in the front. Like I said, they already come with pre-plucked baby hairs, but I'm just cutting them down just a little bit, and I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued styling gel to go ahead and slick those down. So after that is basically it within styling this unit. So let's get into my thoughts on this wig. Okay, so we are done with the styling portion. So to get into this wig, I just really love how this wig looks. This wig is so freaking gorgeous. I thought I was in love with the last wig. I'm in love with this one as well. Like, this one is so pretty. This was one that I would particularly try to put on and wear like the whole entire weekend throughout the day when I'm not at work. This is what I would wear. This wig, it is big head friendly. Detangling, I didn't get too much of, but shedding, it sheds a lot when I was brushing through it, which is super crazy because it is a 1B wig. Like, the wig sheds a lot. And let me see if I can show you. I don't know if you can really see, but it does shed a lot when going through it. Like my brush is like piled up with the hair, but I do not care because this wig is so freaking gorgeous. I don't get too much tangling, but of course it is going to tangle. You can heat save this with 300 to 400 degrees, so if you want to go ahead and flatten it out and do other styles, you can go ahead and do that. I freaking love this wig. Like, I am in love. So if you have not went out and purchased this unit, I would say you need to go get this unit because I love it. I'm so happy I got the 1B because it's like a everyday wig that I will put on every day. Like, this wig is freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. But yeah, that is it for this video. So if you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, to leave those down below. And I'm gonna leave my little head right here that you can click on and subscribe to this video if you haven't already. And I will also leave a link up here so you can check out my last video if you haven't done so as well. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. So